Hi kids! Hello students! Welcome back to school and welcome to Morning Star Academy. I'm Mr. Albert and I will be your teacher in STEAM. In STEAM, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and math meet all together. But kids, before we start, let me ask one question. My name starts with what letter? Good job, kids. It starts with letter A. A also for arts. And for today, we will start with our discussion about arts because we will be creating an artistic project. So kids, let's start with the elements of arts. Do you know what are the elements of arts? Let's start with line. We have different lines. The first one, we have the straight line. The second one, we have the zigzag line. And we also have this kind of line. It's like hills, up and down, up and down. But still, kids, it is an example of a line. Again, the first element of art is line. Okay? Line. We have the straight line, the zigzag line, and this kind of line which is called like a hill. And kids, for the second element of art, we have the, we'll try to guess, we have the shape. We have the shape. We have the circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Those are the examples of shape. Who will try to recall? Again, what shape is this? Good. How about this? Good job. This and this. So kids, remember the second element of art is shape. Now, the last one. The next element of art is, we will try to guess, ding, is color. The next element of art is color. And we have many colors in our surroundings. We have red, blue, green, yellow, and orange, and many more colors. So kids, remember the elements of art. We have the line, shape, and color. I will repeat the elements of art. Line, shape, color. And kids, to make more exciting, we will draw lines, we will make shapes, and we will use colorful paper for your first project. And do you have any idea about our first project? So, are you excited? Are you ready? I can hear you. So kids, let's do it. Here are the materials that we need. First is cardboard or a used carton. We reuse this carton. Next is glue refiller. The glue refiller is used for our glue gun. We need also scissors. So we have two kinds of scissors here. We also need ruler. And of course, we need pencils or pencil. We will make shapes like rectangle, square, and circle. We will cut this into a small part and set aside the other carton. So we have here now the smaller part. We have to measure our rectangle using our ruler. The length of our rectangle should be 16 centimeters. Starting from the edge of this carton here, we will count 16 centimeters. So we will mark in this part for 16 centimeters. Okay? On the other side, also is 16. So we have here the 16. Next is, we will draw now a line. Again, remember, the first element of art is line. So we will draw a straight line using your ruler. So there we have it, our straight line. Kids, finally, we have a straight line pattern for the length. Length means how long our rectangle is. And we have also a straight line pattern for the width of our rectangle. So, we now applied how to draw a straight line. Next, kids, using our scissors, we will cut our rectangle following the straight line pattern. There we have it. We have rectangle. So we need two rectangle. For the next rectangle would be easy for us in making it because we can use this as our new pattern. Simply, you have to attach on the whole carton, like this one, and then use your pencil to draw a line. And then the same step, we have to cut following the line pattern that we draw. Okay. Kids, there we have it. We have already 2 rectangles. The next shape that we are going to do or to make is square. Okay, so the side of our square is, we have to measure so we will put a mark in here for 11 centimeters. Again, 11 centimeters. Okay? And then, since, as what I have said earlier, it must be the same in sides. 11 in each side. We'll mark 11 here. And from the other side, so let's connect the dots and we will draw a line. Okay, using the line pattern, we will cut. Okay, kids, there we have it. We have already square. So this is rectangle and this is a square. For this rectangle, this is the next step to do. From the side, measure 1 centimeter, put a mark, and also for the other side, measure 1 centimeter. From the dots that we have drawn in here and to the corner here, you have to draw another line, a straight line. Also, from the dots here going to the corner of our rectangle, we will also draw straight line. And using our scissors, we have to cut following the line pattern. Next, using this pattern, put this onto your another rectangle and then draw line. Okay. And also on the other side. Then cut following the line pattern. So we have now a pair of this shape, and then this will make our base for our project. We will glue this to the square that we make, this one. But before gluing this stand for our prize wheel, make sure to make first a hole in this part. You have to estimate. And then we can make a hole on it with the marking dots on our cardboard. We can use scissors to put marking onto the other side. So if you can see, we have two markings for the two shapes that we have. We have here. Next, kids, is we will now install our base in the square that we made. We will glue it in here like this. Of course, using our glue gun. Okay, we will now install our base or our stand for prize wheel using this glue gun first. And then with the excess carton here, you can draw a line. Ta-da! So we have now here the base of our prize wheel. Finally, kids, there we have it. This is the base of our prize wheel. Hope you enjoy making your project. So kids, next week we will make the wheel of the prize wheel. So hope to see you next week here in STEAM class, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and math meet all together. I'm your teacher, I'm Mr. Albert, and bye-bye!